Hi guys, this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So it's almost 6 in the afternoon here and we are here at our chicken farm. So we're gonna check the hen and the rooster. So they've been laying some eggs. I think it's 2 eggs today. So these 3 hen here, they still have a little bit of cold, so we give them some medication for their cold. So it's supposed to be they are 6 here, but the 3 of them are already okay, so it's just 3 left here inside. So we separate them from the other chicken because we don't want to spread. Virgil, you need to be careful when you open the door because they're gonna go out. So Virgil is there. So that's their medicine there in that container. And vitamins.
Mommy, I'm full.
What happened to you? You get what you do? Big. You need to be careful because
I can't. It's very close.
there's a nail. Let me see. Samad siya kay pagkuan niya ani ba na naigo siya bitaw hait bitaw day.
Kani man. Pag ana ako ba pag
Di anak go ning Willie day.
Gisalayan man niya ani ko day. Para dili mahus-us.
Kuan ba likado. Virgil got hurt on this nail here. It's very sharp.
Nama.
They put alcohol.
No. Don't let's see.
So over here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So they're gonna. So we bought them that special foods. They really like it. So some of them they're not laying their eggs in the nesting basket. They're just laying here in the soil. I don't know why. I don't know why they don't want to lay in the basket. So it's almost dark here. So this rooster here, we separate him because he's very aggressive. He not leave the hens alone. So we just separate him for a while, but we let him go out in the morning. So we bought this one in Lazada to have some shades here. It's really quite nice. And it's not really expensive for this one. So we're gonna put another shelter here for the chicken. And we're gonna put some nesting box here. So really started digging the hole. So maybe tomorrow we're gonna order some materials, some metal roof. Oh my god, you got hurt. Virgil got hurt on that nails. So Virgil is no class, half day only today because of the very hot. The weather here is very hot. So they postponed the class. I don't know when they're gonna go back because it's super hot. I went to his school today because I gave him some medicine for his cough because he have some cough. So it's really hot today. I don't know how many degrees, but the weather here is very hot, and even there's no wind. That's why we're worried about our chicken. Maybe that's why our chicks died. Maybe because of the hotness. We even take out some of the wood in the brooding box. We replace it in net so that it cooled them down. We not even turn on the headlamp in the daytime. Only in the nighttime when it's a little bit cold. So looks like they're gonna, so we close this already here because they already go inside. All of them is inside. So we're gonna open tomorrow morning. Hopefully the 3 hens, they will get better soon. But they are much better compared to last days. So maybe they are just maybe they can I was looking our neighbor there. That's why they got a cold, because they're just adjusting here because the temperature here in our place is different where we get them. So over there it's a little bit cool, but over here it's a little bit hot. So maybe they're adjusting their body. And I know they will get better because it's not the same when the first time we after 2 days when we got them. They really don't have an appetite to eat, and now they are eating now. They even finish all the foods today, so that's good. Well, but we have 5 chicks or 6 that it's dead, maybe because of the weather here is very hot. That's the way it is. So we have 3 chicks that is free, so we lost 3 chicks. It's 6, right, baby? 6 chicks, it's died, or 5?
5.
5 only. I miscount. Basyon. Pila ganito kabuk ang namatay? 5 no or unom? 5 ra, only 5. Only 5 died. So we only lost 2 of them because the 3 of them is it's freebie. That's the way it is. We just need to be careful, and we are thinking also about the rice holes that we put. Maybe that's the cause why they died, because when maybe they not digest maybe they eat that rice holes and not digest on their tummy, and that's what we are thinking, because we take out the rice holes now. They're in the brooding box, and the chicks now looks very healthy, and they are very more energetic. So maybe that's maybe they ate that rice holes and it not digest. Maybe that's the cause of their death. But thankfully that we separate them from the other chicks, so that it won't spread to the other chicks. So we just got lucky that, because we've been cleaning all the beddings, and we just don't know what happened, why they died. So I was thinking maybe the rice holes, maybe they eat some of them and not digest. Maybe that's the cause of their death. And when we take out that rice holes, after a day, they are more healthy. The looks of them are more healthy, and so we not put back that rice holes only in the big chicken here. So it's almost dark here. Look at that. It's cloudy. But yesterday afternoon is same here. It's cloudy, but it no rain at all. So hopefully will have some rain tonight, because the plants really need some water. So dry. The ground is so dry. Look at, as you can see. So we ordered more solar panel, solar light. Maybe we can get this week. We're gonna put it, some of them in the center, and it's a little bit expensive, but we really need that solar light because we need to put some light in our. We need more solar here because the solar light that we bought is not really bright. We need more solar light. So we've been hanging out here this afternoon. So it's have a little bit wind this afternoon. So I think that's all for today, guys. I just want to share with you the progress here in our chicken farming, and hopefully things will get better here, and I'm gonna do some video again soon. So thank you so much again for the love and support, and for my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for all the nice comment. So we will see you guys on my next video. So God bless us all.